One of the most important methods that we will use in our studying is one we call topic, fact, and tool. I'm going to summarize this really quickly. The topic of a question is just the kind of question that it is. So if we have a question about triangles, the topic is triangles. If we have a question that's a synonym question, then that's it. It's a synonym question. It's important for us to understand what type of problem we are working with before we approach it. And often we just don't ground ourselves in that. So the first step that you'll do in your practice is to say, what is the topic of this question? Next, facts. Let's talk about this in the math context first. Let's say we determine that the topic of a question is triangle. Well, then the facts. What do we know about triangles? We would then say, well, we maybe know that all angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. That fact is going to be key to so many problems that we do. So a lot of the time, the facts in math is really math knowledge. That's what they'll be. What knowledge about math do I need to know to get this question right? For English, it's a little different. The fact could be that you actually need to know what a word means, and maybe we don't, and that's okay. A fact might also be just something about the test. Maybe for analogies, for instance, you have no idea what these even are. Well, a fact could be something we teach you about how the question is structured, and we are going to teach you a lot about that in the coming lessons. So facts are really things you need to know to get questions right, either about the test or about the actual content on the test. Then comes the tool. This is test-taking strategy. This is our specialty. So we are here to help you with that. How can you do a problem in a different way that gives you more of a chance to get it right? That is the tool. We are going to use this topic, fact, tool strategy through all of our studying. So get used to it. There's a lot more great stuff to come.